Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where future machines, extreme vehicles, and next-generation engineering come alive every single day. If you love powerful innovations and the kind of machines that change the world, make sure you subscribe right now because today's feature is something truly unbelievable. The new Liebherr RE 25 M Litronic Railroad 2026 has shocked the entire rail and construction industry. And what it can do on tracks and off tracks is on another level. The 2026 RE 25 M Litronic isn't just another railroad excavator. This machine is designed for the new era of railway maintenance, rapid response repair work, and heavy-duty construction where precision and power need to work together. In 2026, Liebherr has pushed this machine into a new league, giving it more control, more stability, and a smarter Litronic system that reacts faster than ever before. This machine doesn't just move, it thinks. The RE 25M Litronic comes with a newly upgraded engine designed to deliver massive torque with lower emissions, making it more efficient than previous generations. It uses Liebherr's latest hydraulic intelligence, which senses workload automatically and adjusts power delivery in milliseconds. Whether it's cutting through compacted soil beside a railway line or lifting heavy sleepers with pinpoint accuracy, the machine stays balanced and powerful. One of the biggest upgrades is its dual-mode mobility. The RE 25M Litronic 2026 can operate smoothly both on the road and directly on railroad tracks, switching between modes faster than any older model. The new automatic rail guidance system lets the machine lock onto tracks with almost zero manual adjustments, making operations safer and quicker. This is what modern railway efficiency looks like. Liebherr has also enhanced its boom structure with stronger steel, shock-absorbing joints, and tighter hydraulic seals, reducing wear and extending machine life. The 2026 model is built to survive harsh environments, whether it's extreme heat, freezing winters, or muddy rail beds. It's designed for 24/7 operation, giving rail teams the ability to repair, install, or maintain railway lines with minimal downtime. Another shocking upgrade is the 360-degree enhanced Litronic control system. Operators now get real-time load information, track alignment guidance, obstacle detection, and precise hydraulic feedback. The machine can warn operators before instability occurs, automatically balancing itself through smart counterweight adjustment. This is the kind of intelligence usually seen in high-tech cranes. Now, inside a railway excavator, the cabin interior has also stepped into the future. The new 2026 ergonomic design includes vibration reduction, improved seat suspension, and a quieter engine environment. Operators can work longer shifts with less fatigue. A larger touchscreen control panel replaces older manual switches and brings every function into one smart interface. From hydraulic settings to rail mode activation, everything is simpler and faster. Safety is a massive priority, especially for a machine that works directly on live rail lines. The RE 25M Litronic includes high-visibility LED arrays, side cameras, rear collision alerts, and track-level sensors that detect obstacles before the machine moves. Liebherr has made sure the 2026 version is safer for workers on the ground, the operator inside the cabin, and the railway infrastructure around it. The machine's lifting performance is one of its most surprising strengths. With upgraded stabilizers and stronger outriggers, it can lift heavy rail components with more precision than ever before. The extended reach and hydraulic flow adjustments allow operators to work faster without losing control. Whether it's laying new rails, clearing debris, repairing electrification structures, or performing emergency maintenance, the RE 25M Litronic 2026 stands out as one of the most capable rail machines ever built. Fuel consumption is reduced thanks to Liebherr's Eco Mode, which automatically lowers engine speed when full power isn't needed. Over long projects, this saves thousands of liters of fuel and cuts operating costs dramatically. It's greener, smarter, and more economical, exactly what 2026 machines should be. As the railway networks expand globally, machines like the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic 2026 are becoming essential. The combination of smart electronics, powerful hydraulics, upgraded safety features, and unmatched versatility makes this a machine that rail companies simply can't ignore. It brings the future of railway construction closer to reality. If you're watching this on Daily Drives, you already know we bring you the most shocking and groundbreaking machines from around the world. And the new RE25 M Litronic proves once again how far innovation can go when engineering meets real-world needs. Thank you for watching Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this look at the new Liebherr RE25 M Litronic 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We bring you futuristic machines, mind-blowing vehicles, and the most advanced engineering every single day. Stay tuned, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video on Daily Drives.